Okay, so these are screenshots from HKG. Okay, so I just pulled these directly from the IXL, and I'm just going to go over them on here so that way I can write on them. So which angle is supplementary to angle 5? Okay, so this is the angle that we're looking at here. Supplementary is when it adds up to 180. Okay, so we want to know what's adding up to 180 here. Okay, so here I don't see just one, so I'm going to have to look vertically, which is right here. Okay, so I see that this little cube tells me that this is 90 degrees. Okay, and 5 is vertical to 2, so that means that 5 must be 90 degrees as well. So when I add these up, 90 plus 90, I get 180. So that means that 2 is going to be supplementary to angle 5. It's also vertical. Okay, so next one. All right, which angle is vertical to angle 4? So we just talked about vertical. Vertical is when they are right across from each other. So I get angle 4 and angle 2. All right. That is also supplementary. So it'll add up to 180. Okay, so which angles are supplementary to each other? And here in class I was talking about process of elimination. So I'm going to take a look. Supplementary, first of all, is adds to 180. Okay, so angle 7 and angle 10. So these are not, I don't know the direct angle amount, so I cannot assume that these are equal. So I'm going to go with no on that one. Okay, so I got 12 and 11. 12 and 11, they do make a straight line. So yes, I'm going to look at 11 and 9. Those are going to be vertical from each other. But I don't know the angle amount, so I can't assume that they're equal. Or I mean, adding up to 180. So I'm going to go with a no on that one. And then 12 and 2. Once again, I don't know the angle numbers, the angle amount, so I cannot assume that they are equal. So the only one I have is going to be angle 12 and angle 11. Okay, so which angles are vertical to 2? So once again, vertical is when they are right across from each other. Okay, so angle 2, I'm looking, and 5 is right across from 2. Okay, and then it says select all that apply. We know that 2 and 5 are the only things that go across from each other, so none of the other ones are options, so don't let that fool you either. Okay, last one. Which angles are complementary to angle 1? So complementary adds to 90 degrees. Okay, so complementary to angle 1. This is what we are looking at. I want to know what adds to 90 degrees. Since I know that angle 3 is 90 degrees, angle 6 is also 90 degrees, okay? So this means that, let me use a different color, angle 2 and 1 must also equal 90 degrees. So that means angle 2 is complementary, but we don't see 2 on here. So that means I need to look at their vertical identity of 2. So that means that 5 is vertical from 2. So angle 5 and angle 1, when I add those up, angle 5 plus angle 1, that equals 90 degrees. Okay, that one was a little tough. You kind of just have to walk through it and know your vocabulary like I was talking about in class.